Hello everyone, this is Divya Madhukar from TrendBrain. Today we will be learning about the correct usage of am, is and are in the simple sentences. So when we use that, we will be learning about how can we link these words into sentences or while using the action words. So let's see how this lesson will take us through. Subject is nothing but the noun. So we can either have a singular noun or we could have a collective noun, or we could have a plural noun also, and some links to construct or to join the sentences. So I'm using for today's example am, is and are, and any action words or any kind of verb that we needed. So it could be hungry, sleepy, tired, playing, any such action words or verbs. Now what is more important for us is like it becomes more easier for a child in case if we could tabulate it, or you can write it in the bigger fonts about these tabulations, like I. Whenever we have anything which is representing with I, we need to always use the linking verb as am. So I am. Then for he, she, it and any singular noun, we need to use the next word or the linking word as is. Like how do we read it then? He is, she is, it is, and then probably I can take a word called Ishan. Ishan is, so this is how we got to read them. And when we have words like we, you, they, or any kind of plural nouns like cats or rats or mats, any kind of a plural noun, we use something called as are. So how do we read them together? We are, you are, they are, and then cats are. So this is very important. So once we understand the usage using this tabular format and how do we use or what words needs to be used with the linking words, it becomes more easy for us to construct the sentence. So I have tabulated. So what we need next? So we have. We have listed this the subject. So subject we have listed here, and we have linked the linking words as am, is and are. So what should be the next one? Is are. We need to have our action word. So let's move on to reading with the action. So we have joining the words and reading to make a simple sentence. So we had all the subjects or the nouns, linking words and the verb. So let's start reading them together. So when we start reading them together, how do we read them? I am sleeping. I'll repeat it again. I am sleeping. He is sleeping. She is sleeping. It is sleeping. Ishan is sleeping. So it becomes more easier for them to understand when to use am or is or are. And coming into the last set, so we are sleeping. You are sleeping. They are sleeping. Cats are sleeping. So this becomes very, very easier for them to understand and read simple sentences. Now it's not only about reading. Say for example, if you want the child to also write after they read, like I am sleeping, they could also write it down. I am sleeping. So you could use a 4-line book for it. He is sleeping. So we got to give them he is sleeping, she is sleeping. The child can also write down the sentences for better understanding. So this is our worksheet 2, which helps us to make the children read using a very simple tabulation. So you could print it in bold fonts, you could put it onto your child's bulletin board or an office board, or you could keep them into their work file. So that becomes easier for them to understand. Okay, the next worksheet what we are seeing is like we could add on to multiple other action verbs. Like in the previous example we saw the verb being sleeping. So we could use playing, talking, sleeping, drinking, yawning, coughing, eating, washing, cooking, baking, serving, driving, bathing, skating, running, here, beating, fighting, pushing, pulling, crying, winking, nodding, dancing and closing. So these are some of the very simple action words that you could actually replace them with. Say for example, if I take baking and if I replace it in my previous worksheet as baking. So when I use it as baking, pick any sentence. Ishan is baking. Cats are baking. We are baking. I am baking. So we have completed this action word of baking. So you could pick anything like running. So when we add running into the previous worksheet, when we do this as running, so it says it is running, he is running, she is running, we are running. So we get used to reading the same pattern but with different actions. So you could repeat the same for most of the other action words, which helps the children to read as well as to write. So this is one of the very simple construction of sentence usage with different action words. Worksheet, what we will be saying is like, so we have written everything in the same sentences. So what we would be doing is we will be circling the appropriate word. So when we start reading, now here I've taken 2 examples. One is with same action, so that means the subjects have been different, but the center parts options are given it common, and then action we have kept the same as playing. Okay, so let's start reading and let's hear which is more appropriate. So this is more of a listening skill for us. I am playing, I is playing, I are playing. What sounded correct? I am playing. So this is more correct. So it becomes more easier in case if we could give a bracket over here so that the child understands that these are some of the words which is going to be linking. Now let's read. He am playing, he is playing, he are playing. What sounds correct? He is playing. We am playing, we is playing, we are playing, we are playing. They am playing, they is playing, they are playing, they are playing. Cat am playing, cat is playing, cat are playing, cat is playing. Rats, the moment that they get this as the plural noun form, they can immediately circle are. Rats are playing. This becomes easier. Now in the next exercise, we have used multiple action words. As you can see, like we have used cooking, then running, then crying, dancing and serving, but the subjects or the noun forms will remain the same, and the options like am, is, are for the linking sentences will also remain same. So let's start reading. Now here I'm not going to read them all together, so we're going to find out. The moment that it is I, it is always am. So you could put this tabular format in front of your child. When we have I, it's always am. So that becomes more easier for them. So I am cooking. He is running. We are crying. They are dancing. She is serving. So this would be the very simple sentence construction with simple words. And we had options in this worksheet, so which made the child to understand it and which helped them to identify the appropriate linking words to make a simple sentence. This exercise, we will be using the same linking words like am, are and in, but we will be filling in the appropriate word. Now we will not be giving options, so one is done for you. I am Ishan. So there are sentences like she dash Rosie. She is Rosie. They dash playing. They are playing. We are sleeping. Cows are walking. Ravi is pushing. I am cooking. Zara is praying. He is washing. Pinky is washing. So this is how we could actually give children to write the appropriate words, which is very relevant to simple ones. This becomes easier for students of M2 and M3 to understand and fill in. They don't need much of help to read the sentences. In case if they are not able to read the sentences, somebody can read it to them, or you could still write a picture right against it. So he is Ishan, or this is Rosie, or they are playing. If you have images of each action, you could also print the actions along with that, so that becomes like a picture reading for them. The next exercise, so in this exercise I had given options like is, am and are, but in this exercise there are no options. So you have to read the sentence and fill in the appropriate word. Like fill in the word. My mother is a doctor. My father is an engineer. My friends are playing. Roses are red. Why are? Because the moment that you have a plural noun, it becomes are. Ice cream, if it's a singular noun, it is always is. You are beautiful. It is sunny. It is rainy. They're already given. They are in the bus. She is big. Cat is running. Sweets are sweet. So there is a plural noun form. So this is how you could fill the appropriate sentences. So this was a worksheet that we were doing it for today. So we learned, just to quickly brushing up, we learned about the simple sentence construction using a subject, link and a verb. We used a Tableau format so that it helped children to link the words and start reading them together. As soon as you make the Tableau column, start adding different kinds of verbs all together, and make sure when you read it at the same time you ask them to write it down. So this helps their handwriting as well as the reading skills. So you can add or you can give n number of verbs, action verbs for them, so you could keep replacing and shuffling with all of them, and give some kind of sentences for them to read and circle what is appropriate, as we did in this worksheet. And then you could start giving them some fill in the blanks wherein the child will get enough practice on finding the appropriate word. And at last, don't give them any options, just make simple sentences and then start giving, so it becomes more easier. So this is more of a reading exercise for all of them. Thank you so much. Please leave your feedback in the comment section, like and subscribe to our channel, and do not miss any updates. Thank you so much.